Hi everyone, so this is another JavaScript challenge. As you can see, I have two files here, index.html, and it basically refers to this script.js file. And in this file, I have this object. This object contains three properties, and I want to do a very simple thing. Just switch these strings, save it, and open this index.html to see the console log. So this is the console log. As you can see, age is the key and 30 is the value, department is the key, sales is a value, name is a key, and Peter is a value. I want you to switch. Okay, I want you to make 30 as a key and age as a value, sales as a key, department as a value, Peter as a key, and name as a value. I know you are thinking it's very easy to do. Let's create a new object here like this, completely empty, then make new object, and here instead of name we'll put Peter and make it name like this. You might be thinking of doing this, but this is not the right approach, because in case if you'll have around 100 properties here, you're not going to write 100 lines of code just to swap these values. Pause this video, try it on your own, then compare your approach with my approach. I hope you're done by now. So I will have this empty object here, but instead of following that approach, I'll follow a looping approach. As you know, there's a method object.entries. Just remove this, and it will take an object as a parameter. Then we call for each loop here, and this entry parameter will be an array, and the first value will be this key and the second value will be this Peter, or you can say the first item will be name and the second item will be Peter. So let's create a key here. That key entry first value, next value entry second value. Okay, now I have to swap these strings. So new object value equal to key. That's it. Now let's console log this. New object, save it, and as you can see, we have 30 as a key, age as a value, sales as a key, department as a value, Peter as a key, and name as a value. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.